Hi, it's Lila and welcome to my latest DIY gardening tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a raised bed for your garden using only free materials: empty coffee bags, soil, and wood chips. It's a fantastic way to recycle and repurpose the items while enhancing your garden space, and it is so eco-friendly. By using the coffee bags, it improves drainage. Since the raised bed is essentially elevated from the ground, it helps improve drainage and preventing waterlog, especially in areas where the soil may be compacted by rocks. No soil disturbance is also a big bonus for this. Instead of trying to dig through the rocks of the soil, which can be challenging and time consuming, you're essentially creating a new growth environment above the ground. This means you don't have to contend with the rocks beneath the surface. I would have definitely made my lifted raised bed a lot higher if I had the extra soil. I would have put more compost in it, more soil in it, make it a little bit higher, but I did with what I had. And so this is how it's looking here. So first I lay out all the coffee bags, lay them all straight, and then I'm going to begin to start folding them halfway on each side, so it gives space and room for the plant to be planted. And also I start digging on each side. It's called the swale. And what this does, it captures the rain and sends it directly down on the sides. So with the coffee bag that's going to be on top and the wood chips, it's going to hold moisture if needed, and it's going to give extra water on those very, very dry days, because I do not have an irrigation system. And so for me to be able to water these is very difficult. So to do a swale is very important and very smart, but the only thing is I'm hitting rocks. I have lots and lots of rocks, so it's making it very difficult to make it as large and deep as what I would like to do. But I would suggest this if you don't have a rocky area either, to do this, and so you can not depend so much onto irrigation. So now that we're going to be starting to get the plants, I'm just showing you here just with one, how it goes in between the beginning and the ending of each sack. And then I can close it up. But I'm going to actually leave mine open for the next 3 days, because it's supposed to rain heavily for 3 days. And that's why I scheduled to get the plants in today. Well, that day, and because I needed to be able to water them and really soak them. And like I said, I don't have water at that land, so I need to plan around the days that it's going to rain. So here we go. These are the Aronia plants. They're nice and healthy, and I'm about to put them into their holes. There we go. So I added them and I left it open for the rain. Here we go. So they're all planted in by rows, and then I tagged them down and added the wood chips to secure the bags so that the wind wouldn't catch them. Now, if I could give you one helpful hint, is please make friends with your local coffee manufacturer. They will give you the jute bags, the coffee bags. They will give you these shavings. These are called shavings that fall off of the machine as it's running. It's just they pick it all up and throw it out. That is really good compost. And sometimes you even get the beans. So if something happens and they got to discard them, you can get the full bean, and then you have great compost. I had so much little wigglers, it was unreal, and the castings of them. My plants absolutely loved them. I hope this video was helpful for you.
So if you like these videos, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now, I'm on a budget. I can't afford irrigation system. I can't afford a lot of these things that I could use. So I'm using ways that I think can help, and it's just man hours, manpower, woman power.